Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Highway 2000 North South Leg, and we just got on the highway from the Caymanas Toll Plaza and are heading towards Miami Bay. Now today we are going to talk about the highways in Jamaica, give you an update as to what's going on. So the toll roads now, those are the highways we're going to talk about. The toll roads are Highway 2000 in Jamaica. I'm going to give you an update as to what's going on. Now, the May to Mandeville leg of the east-west leg of Highway 2000 was opened recently. So the east-west leg now, which starts in Kingston, goes all the way to Mandeville now, or Williamsfield to be more specific. That section is finished and it's up and running. Highway 2000 north-south leg goes from Kingston to Miami Bay, or basically Kingston to Ocherius. That leg is finished and it's up and running. Now, two big announcements were made recently in regards to Highway 2000. So, Highway 2000 east-west leg now is now going to go, we all knew it was going to go from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth, because that highway was to go all the way to Montego Bay. It is to go all the way to Montego Bay. It's just being done in sections. But the highway will go from Williamsfield in Mandeville to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. And then it was announced recently, one of the two big announcements was that highway will go from Hodges in St. Elizabeth to Negril in Westmoreland. That is a new development. And then that highway will also go from Hodges in St. Elizabeth to Mount Pelion, and then from Mount Pelion into Montego Bay, which was what it was originally designed to do. But the Negril leg was new. Now, Highway 2000 north-south leg, it was recently announced also that highway is going to go, it finishes in Ocherius, Miami Bay to be more specific. It's going to go from Miami Bay to Trelawney. That's a new development. So you're going to have toll roads going literally from Kingston to Montego Bay, Kingston to Negril, Kingston to Ocherius, and then Kingston to Trelawney. Now the highway is going to go as far as Trelawney. This has not been announced yet, but you can almost be sure it's going to go from Trelawney to Montego Bay one day. So you're definitely going to have the island interconnected with toll roads. Now, toll roads make money. Toll roads make billions, with a B, billions of dollars every year. So I think it's good that they are interconnecting the entire island with toll roads. What I don't like is how long it's taking to do it. Now, toll roads make money. You're going to build a road, charge toll, and pay back for the building of the road. So build it out right away. Now, Highway 2000 north-south, like they announced it up to Trelawney, but as I said, it's going to go to Montego Bay. Montego Bay is a major city. And from Montego Bay, it might go to Negril so that you have the island connected. But I'm not sure about the Negril, the Montego Bay to Negril section. But that would be good if they did that. That definitely would be good. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about these toll roads that they're building. And they need a toll road from either Maypen to the north coast or Mandeville to the north coast. Because the middle of the island, there are no highways to take you from the south coast to the north coast without going through. There are none. If you are in Mandeville and you want to get to Ocharios, yeah, you have no single highway to take.